Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Remote Procedure Call, or RPC, allows processes to communicate over a network. When Windows shows RPC server is unavailable, apps fail to connect to services. Typical symptoms include service start failures, file and printer access errors, and network map drive problems. RPC depends on the RPC SS service, DCOM settings, and ports like TCP 135. This guide walks through quick checks, firewall rules, registry edits, and service recovery steps. Follow steps carefully and reboot between major changes to confirm each fix. Start with services, open services. MSC and confirm RPC SS and DCOM launch are running and automatic. If stopped, set startup to automatic and click Start to restart each service immediately. Check Windows firewall rules and allow incoming TCP port 135 for the domain and private profiles. Temporarily disable third-party firewalls or antivirus to verify they are not blocking RPC. Use ping and ENS lookup to confirm name resolution, and use telnet hostname 135 for port checks. Reboot clients and servers after changes and retest the original failing operation to confirm fix. For persistent issues, run sfc/scano and dism restore health from an elevated command prompt. Open component services with dconfig to verify DCOM security and default authentication levels. Inspect the registry keys hklm/system, /current control set /services, /RPCSS, and RPC-EPT mapper for corrupt values. Ensure ephemeral RPC ports 49,152 to 65,535 are not blocked by network devices or local firewalls. Use netstat-ono and task list to identify listening processes bound to RPC ports.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.